This is the nerve cell, hormone cell card. If you look at the card, some people have said that it looks like intergalactic space itself. And yet this is the fundamental point that serves as the makings of your entire nervous, chakra, and endocrine system. For many, when they're entering into this level, they are at the very beginning stage of transforming their lives through being able to access the power of their nervous system and the power of their very own hormones through the acquisition of the conscious intent and the focusing of this intent to bring about this body form into alignment with our choice for consciousness. Not just passive vessels. Oh, my body hurts, I don't know what to do with it, I'm going to give my power away. This card is a reminder. You have the power to bring all of your entire nervous system, hormone system, and energetic system into alignment with your will and your choice. And when this card comes up for you, what a glorious time this is. For you're at that threshold of readiness to begin the sacred journey.